In today's video, let me quickly show you how to do a poll on Snapchat. So let me quickly show you how it works. Open up your Snapchat and take any snap that you want first to be the background. Once you take the snap, tap on the stickers icon that you see, this one right here. Once you do, on the top you'll see a couple of options. Tap on the poll option. Here you can type in any questions that you want. Once you type in your questions, you have an option of selecting different kind of emojis. So just tap on the emojis and you can select or change the emojis. Again, repeat the same process for the other one as well, and your poll will be successfully created. This is the only poll that you can create on Snapchat, and you cannot add any text for the results. You can only add in emojis. After you add in the poll, you can now add it to your stories. So that was a real quick video on how to do a poll on Snapchat. Give this video a like if you guys found this video helpful, and if you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. I'll be soon back with more guide videos. Thanks for watching.